Well, little trouble in paradise, folks. It seems that my old New Holland Model 1725 tractor has a few issues and it's not cooperating. And my 3-point hitch is not working. The problem is right here. These arms here will not lift up. They just stay down. So I've been looking at all the usual suspects and I still haven't found a problem yet. The problem may be because I removed the backhoe. I had to change some of the plumbing, so I have to recheck the hydraulic fittings and couplings and whatnot, and I'll double check that first. Usually on a lot of tractors you'll see right here under the seat they have a knob that comes out, and it's called a flow control knob, and that's how you control the flow on the 3-point hitch. Sometimes that's the problem, because you're adjusting the seat, sometimes you grab the wrong knob. Not the case on this one. It's not easily accessible. It's not something you can reach in and grab with your hand. Well, there's also a few other things underneath here that I have to check, and well, there are a couple of, right there where those fittings are, there's a couple of things I have to check there too, but I don't think that's the problem. So if I'm not able to pinpoint the problem by going through some of the obvious things and double checking those, then I'll have to remove the ROPS, and I have to remove the seat and the fender assemblies and all this other stuff to get underneath there, and I may have to remove the cylinder assembly that operates the 3-point hitch, and chances are pretty good that the piston seal, it's like a piston ring, it's like a plastic seal that goes on there. On a lot of these New Holland tractors, and actually other models too, I've seen where these seals over time, they just disintegrate.